Such a large site with state-of-the-art technology and hundreds of employees requires tremendous material support, which can be found in Building 5. The maintenance building is where parts and equipment are stored, everything needed to keep Egger Lexington functioning efficiently. Building 5 is also home to Egger's apprenticeship program, offered in partnership with the Davidson-Davie Community College and local manufacturers that form the Davidson and Davie Apprenticeship Consortium. Apprentices can earn an associate's degree, debt-free, while earning a paycheck and learning advanced professional skills. The 4-year program also provides a benefits package and eligibility for full-time employment after graduation. A high priority is also placed on the development and training of existing employees. With advanced technology, today's manufacturing jobs are highly skilled. With continued training and support, our vision is to provide not just jobs, but long-term careers at Egger.